afternoon. Husband, wife, all those who are leading this struggle, which has as wider reaches and repercussions as the national highways and infrastructure. And our own colleague, Mohan Das, with whom we were associated due to Chalakudi struggle, and the others, Majidan, who is one of the national conveners of National Alliance of People's Movement, and Hussain Master, who is our state convener, and C.R. Neelakanthan, who has been a guide and philosopher, a researcher, activist, as we call him, of NITM, and all of you, the aware and active citizens of Trichur and Kodagaran, the village officers and all the youth who are now fully active in the struggle. I have been watching this struggle from a distance. I would say a number of times the coordination committee invited, but somehow it did not work out to attend any of the large gatherings and the programs, whether in Trivandrum or in Thrissur. But I know that you have taken this struggle forward to raise what is the very basic issue today related to what is called as infrastructure. Priya is the best translator and speaker himself. So don't think whatever I am going to speak, he is going to translate. He will add up his own.
No. സമരം നയിക്കുന്ന നേതാക്കളെ, ഇവിടെ സന്നിഹിതരായിരിക്കുന്ന മറ്റ് ദേശീയ പാത സമര നേതാക്കളെ, ജിയോ ജോസ്, അതുപോലെ മറ്റ് മോഹൻദാസ് തുടങ്ങിയവരെ, തൃശ്ശൂരിലെയും കൊടകരയിലെയും ജനങ്ങളെ, ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ സമരം വളരെ ദൂരെ നിന്നും മുൻപേ കണ്ടിരുന്നു. തൃശ്ശൂരിലേക്കും തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തേക്കും ഉള്ള സമരവേദിയിലേക്ക് എനിക്ക് പലപ്പോഴും ക്ഷണം കിട്ടിയെങ്കിലും ആ സമരത്തിൽ എനിക്ക് വരാനൊന്നില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഒരു കാര്യം എനിക്കറിയാം, നിങ്ങളുടെ സമരം വളരെ ഏറെ മുന്നിലേക്ക് പോയിരിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾ അടിസ്ഥാന പ്രശ്നങ്ങളാണ് ഉന്നയിക്കുന്നത്, അതും അടിസ്ഥാന വികസന മേഖലകളെക്കുറിച്ച്, അടിസ്ഥാന മേഖലകളെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള അടിസ്ഥാന പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഉന്നയിക്കുന്ന സമരമായി മാറിയിരിക്കുന്നു.
You see, when you are talking about infrastructure, you all know that this has become a mantra for the politicians and the power politics in this country. During elections, and so must have been in the last election also. Generally, in various states, whether it is Bihar with Nitish Kumar, whether it is Maharashtra with then Vilasrao Deshmukh, Ashok Chavan, whether Narendra Modi in Gujarat, Naveen Patnaik in Orissa, or Karunanidhi and Jayalalitha in Tamil Nadu, of course in Kerala. The left to right cannot fight elections without talking not only of development in general, but of infrastructure. And everyone says, yes, we want infrastructure. And who can oppose infrastructure? What is infrastructure? Something that will facilitate fulfillment of our basic needs. That is infrastructure. But generally it has been considered to be a word for, a phrase for the roads and pathways, housing infrastructure, something that involves building and construction. Do you know that nowadays education is also under infrastructure? Health is also under infrastructure. Everything that we can think of as constructive activity that would fulfill the needs of the people is now considered as infrastructure. So on one hand, the infrastructure definition is broadened, and this I'm talking to you on the basis of our discussions with Kamal Nath and Ramesh during last 3 days with 3,000 people from 18 states and 60 organizations were camping in Delhi. And the new land acquisition and rehabilitation bill that is coming, you know, the Noida struggle and the Supreme Court judgments and all that background. In that, this is the definition. Infrastructure is